Here I have ZTE Blade A31, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the more modes and select interval. Wait. Okay, you don't have to switch to the more modes, you have just this burst shot here next to the capture. And when you're in this mode, just hold down shutter button, and after that it will take burst shot. As you can see, I took like 17 shots, and here you can like view all these shots one by one, just like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.